All right, let's get started for our daily buys. So today we have prelim consumer sentiment that comes out 30 minutes into market open. Okay, so that's something that we all need to be very aware of. Jumping into ES, so yesterday during market recap, I said that I wanted price to drop until these highs. Little did I know that during London session, we were just going to dick our way all the way up there. Wow. It looks like, okay, all-time highs have not been breached yet on ES, so that's the next draw, would be these all-time highs. Even though it sort of looks like we swept it, we did not. Okay, so right now price is dropping and is falling down a little bit. Market opens in around 8 minutes. Okay. On the hourly, honestly, all I'm looking for is just like retrace points. So right now we're in one. We have this imbalance. We have another imbalance right there. Let's try and find equilibrium from these lows up until this high. Boom. Pretty much in line with this imbalance. So that's kind of another confluence on this imbalance. If we go into the 15-minute, we can go ahead and highlight some draws of liquidity. Boom. Okay, perfect. And that's really all I'm looking for to execute today. I'm like very bullish right now. I don't really see any reason to be bearish unless price opens and does some crazy shit. Okay, I feel like we need to take out 48, 41.5. That's kind of what I see. We have this hourly imbalance. We have a 15-minute low here, 15-minute low here, another imbalance right here, area of accumulation before a leg up right here. This should be a solid, all of these confluences right here should be solid. Now, if we do think, or if we do end up, you know, just fucking ripping off rip right when market opens, and we end up pushing all the way up until these highs, let's say we sweep them out and then end up like reversing to the downside, cool, then I'll look to do that. But first things first is we have to know that we have news coming out 30 minutes into market open, so I will not be trading until then. And then along with that, we have to de-risk ourselves because of the news. Okay, so today, do I really want to trade? Not really. But do I still think that there's potential opportunity because it's not super, super high impact news? Yes. So this is my daily bias for the S&P. Let's go over to NASDAQ really quick. NASDAQ is now pushing all the way past all-time highs now. So we're past this. Now it's like, damn, where is resting liquidity? We don't have it. Okay? It's literally a guessing game at this point, which is actually crazy, bro. The fact that we're pushing all-time highs right now is ridiculous. Let's go ahead and put on market open right here. Okay. Go into the hourly. Okay, so we had this mini imbalance right here. It kind of already got filled. Next up would be, boom, these imbalance right here. Okay, following that, we have an hourly low right down here. I'm going to get rid of this all-time high line. Go on the 15-minute. We have a set of 15-minute lows. That's kind of already outlined by the imbalance right here. Another 15-minute imbalance, 15-minute lows right here as liquidity. Okay, so very, very similar to the S&P. Okay, we have relative equal highs right here as well, which could serve as liquidity to send price lower. But honestly, the fact that we're already above all-time highs, I do think that we just come down, sweep out, fill in either this imbalance, sweep out these lows, or sweep out these lows just to send price higher and higher. But yeah, that's kind of what I see. And yeah, that's pretty much it on NASDAQ and the S&P. It's a very, very similar price action going into the day. So yeah, that's literally how I plan on executing. I look on executing within either this hourly imbalance on the sweep of these lows or on the sweep of these lows. And as for NASDAQ, I look on executing within this hourly imbalance or the sweep of these 15-minute lows or the sweep of these 15-minute lows. Okay? Other than that, I think we should be good to go once market opens in around 5 minutes. Okay? So cool. There's our daily bias. Going to go ahead and post this up to YouTube. We'll get going. Alrighty.